that, grab that. Grab that real quick. Happiness and happy. What else we got? Positive. What else we got? Pretty. Yes. What is this one? Oh, let's strength. Let's get it. What else?
Love yourself no matter what.
Ooh, love yourself no matter what. Cared for. Loved. Smart. What's this one? Pretty. Yes.
Appreciated.
Appreciated.
Hold up. This is the one wet little piece of paper.
Okay, this one is positive. It's positive to me, never mind. All right, give yourselves a round of applause real quick now. Before I get out the way and get this food right real quick, this is what I want to say to you, and this is why this is important, right? Here are some tactics. I'll let you walk away with tools. I'm sweating, so you know I gave everything I had to y'all today. I'm sweating. I got a suit on and I'm sweating. Right? But this is what I want to leave you with. When you are going through things in your mind, and the negativity is coming, write it down and rip it up, because you got to claim it to change it, right? Take the power out of it, take the sting out of it. Because the deeper you let it fester in your mind, the lower you sink. You got to kill it right then when it comes in. Kill the thoughts, right? Second, what and who you listen to is so important, y'all. Like your circle, who you surround yourself with. Y'all see I'm in a circle, because this is what I want to be surrounded with. People that are popping, literally, and popping with positivity. Right? Popping with relief, popping with belief, popping with blessings, like blessings on blessings on blessings. I need that in front of me. At all times in my life, you need that too. This circle. See, this method to my madness. That's why I had y'all get around this circle like this. All right? Number 3, again, who you listen to. What are you listening to your ears? Are you listening to the music? Is the music empowering you? Is it strengthening you? Do you have a motivational playlist? If not, you should make a playlist of songs that get you hyped. No matter what you're feeling. So that whenever the negative thoughts come in, plug that J. Cole in. Plug it in. Plug it in, plug it in. I know, that's because music. Y'all never try to remember that. It's just the music has been, that's all. Right? We are going to have more when I give y'all my keynote. Y'all going to learn a little bit more about my life story and everything like that. But for now, this has been the power of words. Y'all have been popping. Y'all have been beautiful. I can't wait to rock with y'all after this food, once y'all are fed and not looking at me like the Walking Dead right now. It's going to be good. Clap up for yourselves real quick. Clap.